So often we say happy birthday to friends and family, as we celebrate with presents and toys, and can hardly wait to rip open the cards and packages with bows. But today we say to you, dear Jesus, happy birthday. Thank you that you came. Without you, life wouldn't be the same. Everything is better with you, Jesus.
So, as we string the lights and tie the last big bow, watching snow fall outside our window, we don't want the day to pass too soon.
Jesus, may your birthday be brighter than bright as we praise you with delight. May you have a happy birthday tonight. Happy birthday, Jesus, we love you. Happy birthday. Jingle bells ring and we all sing Merry Christmas to you. Time to celebrate Jesus' birth, his arrival as a baby on earth. We worship the Savior who came as a little lamb to the town of Bethlehem. So we greet everyone in his name, the great I am who came. Merry Christmas to you. Let the bells ring and all people sing. Jesus came as a little lamb. Yes, Jesus the I am, who told Moses his name centuries before he came. Be cheerful and bright and worship Jesus, true light, as we celebrate tonight. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Come to the light. Merry Christmas.
Sammy dressed up like the lammy, Bonky dressed up like a donkey, Carrie was Virgin Mary, Koseph was Joseph. We all dressed up as shepherds and animals and sang Christmas carols for the school play. The hay made me itch and my little nose twitch, but the promise of hot chocolate with marshmallows caught my attention. And the teacher said I would get special mention. I got so caught up in playing a part that I nearly missed keeping Jesus in my heart. But when I heard the Christmas story read, visions of a cold night danced in my head. And I thought of Mary and how brave she must have been, and Joseph by her side, comforting her. And then I thought of baby Jesus leaving heaven above to come down here to save me and give me his love. And everything changed in my heart that night. something changed in my heart that night, and no Christmas had ever been so bright.